Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naveed Husain. I'm a divorce attorney in Chicago. The legislature a few years ago decided to change the word custody to parental responsibilities. And now instead of fighting for custody, we are now allocating parental responsibilities. And just like how it used to be before, legal custody and physical custody, where we're distinguishing between decisions and visitation schedule, in that same way we have something now called decision making and parenting time, and we're allocating these decisions and we're allocating the time between the parents. There's four major decisions according to Illinois law. There's the area of healthcare, religion, extracurricular activities, and education. 90% of the time is going to be joint decision making. Really, the only times you're going to see sole decision making is if there's like an order of protection between the parties, if one parent really doesn't care, is unable to communicate, is trying to ruin the relationship. Parenting time is where most of the litigation happens. What nights are the child going to stay with mom, and which nights are the children going to stay with dad? And the typical quote-unquote dad schedule that we see is every other weekend, Friday after school till Monday morning, and every Wednesday night overnight till Thursday morning at school. So this is considered a 5-9 schedule. When we're referring to a 5-9 schedule, we're talking about a 2-week block. So 14 days. How many nights is the father getting? How many nights is the mother getting? So in this scenario, it's 5 nights in a 2-week period for dad and 9 nights for mom. Most people want a 6-8 schedule. If you have more than 146 nights, your child support drops dramatically, and that usually occurs when you have an 8-6 schedule. There's other types of schedules such as 50-50 schedules, week on, week off. There might be a nesting situation, which I haven't really seen happen much. The judge is supposed to look at what is in the best interest of the children. That's a very vague term, a very broad term, but the law does have certain factors that the judge is supposed to consider to make this decision. So for example, what are the wants and wishes of the children or the parents? Has there been any physical abuse? How well acclimated is the child with their community, with their school? Are the children going to have to move from school? How far apart does mom and dad live from each other? The two parties are going to try to come up with a schedule amongst themselves. If they can't, the judge is going to make them go to mediation. If they cannot resolve their issues in mediation, then most likely a GAL is going to be appointed. So a GAL is a guardian ad litem, and they are appointed on behalf of the children and act as the eyes and ears of the judge. So they're going to investigate, they're going to interview the children, the parents, the teachers, the caregivers, basically everybody involved in this child's life, and they're going to report this information to the judge. 9 times out of 10, the judge is going to go with what the GAL says. So the GAL has a very, very big impact on a quote-unquote custody case. If you stayed to the end, go ahead and like the video, subscribe. We're going to be coming out with more videos about divorce. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.